There are many video leaks about the iPhone 14, and as usual, all video leaks cannot be true. But from a very reliable source, I have found out what the upcoming iPhone 14 will look like. And why this source is reliable is that they also gave out some leak about the Pixel 6, OnePlus 10 Pro, and Galaxy S22 Plus, which were later true. Click the subscribe button there for more gadget and tech videos. So without further ado, let's begin. From many video leaks, it is shown that the upcoming iPhone 14 will look like this. And if you look at it closely, there is no camera module around the cameras. It's just some single cameras in their position. And also from the Samsung latest phone, this Galaxy S22 Ultra, there isn't a camera module around the cameras too. So if the Apple company should then decide to make the iPhone 14 camera with no camera module, it might look like the Apple company is actually copying the Samsung Galaxy newest phone, the Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra. So I don't think the Apple company will do such a thing. Then what will the iPhone 14 series looks like? From 91 Mobile, they leak out a model picture of the iPhone 14 Pro, and this is the physical and software changes we should be expecting from the iPhone 14 series. Firstly, the size of the phone. The size of iPhone 14 series will be up to 6.1 and 6.7 inches in size. Secondly, the chip. The latest Apple chip is the A15 Bionic chip, which powered the iPhone 13 series. So we should be expecting an A16 Bionic chip in one or all of the iPhone 14 series. Thirdly, the camera module. The camera module would be that of the iPhone 13 series camera, and as I already said, if the Apple company should make the iPhone 14 camera with no camera module, it might look like they are copying the Samsung newest phone, the Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra. And lastly, the pill-shaped cutout. The iPhone 14 will be coming with a pill-shaped cutout at the notch for the front camera and speaker. That is it about what we should be expecting from the upcoming iPhone 14 series. Click the subscribe button for more gadget and tech videos. And also, there will be a new video coming up soon about the iPhone SE 3 camera tips. So don't miss the video, click the subscribe button down there, and when the video is out, you'll be notified. That's pretty much it. Thanks for watching. I'm Albert Naz.